Hi, I'm Callum Ryan from the agency.
And I'm Todd Brandon.
Today we're here at 38 Brae Street on the Range.
This home is move-in ready and it's got the most relaxed lifestyle. Let's take a look. I absolutely love how the owner's done all the hard work with this home. As you can see, this kitchen is spectacular. The choice of colour on point. We've got fresh paint throughout the whole home. The timber floors are gorgeous. It's move-in ready.
.38 Brae Street is in an excellent location, close to the best amenities Rockhampton has to offer. If our team can help you own this home, get in touch with us. We would love to help you out.